In the heart of Mesopotamia, where the land holds the echoes of ancient civilizations, stands Malabadi Bridge, tall like a guardian of time, bridging the shores of history and the present. Built in 1147 AD, it became a path for caravans to cross, carrying stories upon its stones and journeys through its span. The bridge stretches between Batman and Diyarbakir, each end belonging to a different city, a living connection between two lands bound by history and geography. With its massive stone arch, one of the largest of its time, it reflects an engineering brilliance that unites strength and beauty, standing resilient through centuries of change. As time passed, the landscape around it transformed. Modern dams emerged, and a calm artificial lake was formed, mirroring its image like a surface that preserves memory. Here, stone meets water. The past meets the present in a scene filled with silence and told through stories.